Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your country on Asphalt 9. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Asphalt 9 on your device. Once you've done that, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Once you open up the game options, tap on game settings. Now, tap on language and country. From the right hand side menu, you can select the country or region of your choice and simply tap on it, and in the pop-up, tap on yes. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your country on Asphalt 9. So that is how you can easily change your country on Asphalt 9 within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.